Hi there, students. Effectively and in effect. So I was asked to make this because effectively I use this word very commonly, or this pair. So let's see, effectively. For all practical purposes, in practice, basically, essentially. So, in effect, she is the head of the family, although she doesn't officially have that title. So, for all practical purposes, effectively, they've said that they disagree with this idea. They haven't actually said it, but that's the meaning, the practical, real meaning of what they say. Yeah. The match they said that the match could only go ahead if we put down a deposit of £100,000. So effectively, the match is cancelled. In effect, for all practical purposes, because we're not going to be able to get the money. Let's see, this word is a very good linking word. So it says what this really means is. So I could give you a long, complicated explanation and then say, but effectively it means this. So yes, the video I just made on in as much as. Well, in as much as effectively means because. So you've got a complicated one, and I just give you the basic meaning. Basically, it means this. For all practical purposes, when you actually use it. Okay, so the defenders were still holding out, but effectively the battle was ended. Effectively, they had lost. Notice effectively as well can be in an effective way, something that achieves your the desired results well. Yeah, but that's just an aside. So effectively, actually, but not officially, not explicitly. So the king is now, the queen is now becoming a very old lady. And I think effectively her household staff are the people that organise her life. In effect, the meaning of in effect is exactly the same. Yes, the police effectively are the organ of state, or the people who implement the law or who decide what the law is. No, it's the Houses of Parliament that decide. But effectively, if the policeman arrests you, then you're guilty of a crime. It's down to what he says normally. Yeah. Okay, so effectively, virtually, in reality, essentially, yeah, this region of the country is effectively independent. It's not independent officially, but that's how things really work. Yeah. If he takes on this job, he is effectively giving up any chance of becoming the party leader. Yeah. Okay. So effectively, in effect, it's what it actually means for all practical purposes. So yeah, the contest was effectively over after the first 5 minutes. Yeah, my team scored 6 goals in the first 10 minutes of the match, and effectively the match was won. Yeah, they still had to blow for full time. Yeah, but effectively it was over. Okay, so effectively the results of something. So effectively, that's what in effect and effectively mean. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now, in effect and effectively.